Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. I just want to say happy Monday to everyone. We are starting the week off strong with the job leads. I hope this continues throughout the week so that we can find something that is a good fit for everyone. But real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed so you never miss another job lead. Today's job lead is from the company Intoxilock. Now, they make the ignition interlocks for substance abuse and alcohol abuse for cars where you have to blow into it to start your vehicle. They are hiring a customer service representative to work from home. Now, this is for my United States folks only. They are looking for a customer associate to receive challenging calls transferred from Tier 1 agents. So you'll be a little bit a step up from a Tier 1. You'll solve more challenging problems. You'll assist and troubleshoot the customer's concerns, any tech issues that they have. You'll verify data and information using a verification process, and you'll address the customer's concerns using your customer service skills. Of course, you will have to exceed and meet all of the metrics that they hold you to. This job does pay very well, though, if you are into customer service. They start at $18 all the way up to $25 an hour. And of course, that is based on experience and skills you bring to the table. And it says uncapped earning incentive. So they offer incentives and bonuses on top of that $18 to $25 an hour. They just need you to be available to work the hours of 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're not in the Central Time Zone, you will have to convert your time zone to that to see if it works for you. All computer equipment is provided to you. So if you don't have a computer, this is one that is great for you. Now, as far as what they're looking for, they do not require a college degree. They just want somebody who is ambitious and customer focused, who can handle stressful situations, someone who has 1 year experience as call center sales or leadership, someone who has great, strong computer skills. You're available to work from home, meaning you have internet and you can connect through an internet cable and not use Wi-Fi. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.